Hello guys, this is the instruction which you must follow while doing the exercise. This is the comprehension part and it consists of 30 marks. It is the most easiest scoring 30 marks you can score in English language paper. So it consists of some meanings and you have to make sentences and answer questions from the passage which will be provided to you, and to write a précis in the limited words. And it is the most easiest part of the English language question paper which you must not miss. I would recommend you to do this part at first or at the beginning only, so that you can ensure that after going through the long parts like question number 1 and question number 2, and then you will get a very little time to complete question number 3 and 4. Since question number 3 is very short, you can adjust it in the short time, but question number 4 is not like that. You need time. If you follow the time regulations which is as prescribed by the council, you must follow that, which is given to you at the first of the video. In this video I have provided you with 25 comprehension sets. If you can practice them all the ones without leaving anything, if you just practice them and check it through your teacher who teaches you, let it be your tuition teacher or class teacher, anybody, you will be much benefited. Students, just don't ever see this part. They know that it will come like that and we have to write things. No, it needs practice. The précis part needs much more practice. You have heard about app, InShorts app. This app provides you with a very just amount of information with a very short number of words. It provides you precise information. You have to be that kind. Okay, so it consists of only, you have been given 100 words, but in the app InShorts, you will get passages of 60 words, and you will see how much informative they are. Just grab that idea how you will put the information. Just grab the idea and put it on. It will be enough for you to score above 25 if you just practice all these 25 sets. You don't need much time, you just need half an hour only to finish a single exercise. So put your best and complete the exercise. You will be much better than the others giving the exam with you, ISC or CBSC English language. Okay, best of luck for your exam and keep practice the questions. There are some important things which you can apply to make your time short while doing the question number 4. There's a part I have said you before, précis part and the question answer part, where you need to find the answers. Okay, so before hand you will get 15 minutes of reading time. Utilize that time in taking out the points of the précis and also the question answers. So it will help you to maximize your time. You will get much more utility from it. You can't use pen or pencil on the question paper, but still, if you just find out the questions by remembering the line numbers will be given to you in terms of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on, it will help you to reduce your effort and time control during the 3 hours examination, which is much more beneficial. And most of the students who score much more better than the most of the class, more precisely the top 5%, use this technique to solve question number 4 within 15 minutes. It just reduces your time from 30 minutes to 15 minutes. For the rough work which you have done 15 minutes in the reading time. So guys, please use this technique so that you can save your time and give more time on essay, writings part and grammar, especially grammar. It needs much more time to find the particular and the most accurate answer which you can get by giving it more time. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.